Hi you guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. I am noticing my numbers going up slowly sometimes and then they just shoot straight up. But I just want to welcome all of you that are new to my quirky little world. Yes, I do have alter egos, so don't think, oh my god, is this woman mental? I am, but there's 5 of us that live up here and we call it the hotel Lady Lori. So this is me. I'm the main individual. You're going to see videos that I go into character and they love to play. All right. I kept promising that I would show the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for December 2021, and I'm getting around to doing it. I recorded it last night. Today's the 14th. I did it on Thursday the 13th, but you know what? Watch the video, have to trash the entire thing. So here we go. I know, cut that so out. Stop saying so. This is the little card that you get. The theme for the December 2021 was Time to Shine. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because this is an old bag, but I do love it. I love this bag. These gorgeous gold stars on there. Oh my god, my mother would have loved this bag. And they are little cute drawstrings. So if you're new to Ipsy, this is the middle tier. There's an Ipsy Glam bag, and it's the little makeup bag that has the zipper on it. Then there's this one, reusable bags. You can use them for anything. Put your little gadgets in here, stuff you take to work. Put them in the back seat with the kids with some snacks in them. Oh, I wouldn't put these in there. You can travel with these though. You know what? I wonder if they would fit a shoe. You just need 2 of them. Okay, so I am not going to put both of them side by side in one video because they don't have duplicate items in them. That's where I messed up last night. Okay, first item is the Bella or Ballet or Bea. I don't know. I'm not sure how you pronounce the Ballet in Argent or Argent. And these are the 2. You can say that name any way you want. Maybe I'll put it in the translator and Google can tell me how to say it. But here's the 2 really pretty brushes. Now this was the only item that I did get that was a duplicate, so I'm excited about it. Is it going to go in a giveaway? I don't know. I'm guessing probably, but they're absolutely gorgeous. The ferrule is green. So the handle is that smoky gray, and then right up here is like that army deep green, like, you know, the olive. I mean, can you see that? It's very pretty. It is a gorgeous. They are gorgeous. Look at those beautiful brushes, and then they have that ombre gray inside on the bristles, and they're dense, but they're also nice, soft. They have a soft give to them. These are beautiful, and I like when you wash them, put these back on and they reshape your brushes. If you have them, if they come with them, that's a plus. Okay, and then we have the Lemon Balm and Thyme Nourishing Lip Scrub, and this is by Seraphine Botanicals. It's a real pretty container. Packaging is really cute, almost like you can put toiletries in there. And it just comes with that aluminum tube, like your toothpaste. Don't know if it has a scent because it has a safety seal on it. And then, of course, from Complex Culture, me and my nails. I did nails for many, many years. It's the Get Set Nail Polish Duo. Beautiful, beautiful colors in Thrive and Dream. I know you can see the colors right there on the lid. Now let me pull these out. You remember the ones that I told you I got my sister because it has her initials on them, LAW? I still haven't given them to her, but they're for Christmas. These are what we consider a metallic, the shimmer. Like that olive. And then there is this color, which is so pretty. It's a matte. Look at that. That is so pretty. Whether or not I can do my nails is, you know, that's the $1 million question. Because as soon as my nails start growing out underneath the tips, I pop them off and I clip them all the way down. Because I like being able to interchange my nails anytime I want. And then from Rodial is the glass primer. This is the packaging on it, but unfortunately it's like a mirror, so I'm not going to put it up there in you guys' face. Again, a very, very, it's aluminum, glass, mirrored. Very pretty. Packaging is beautiful. Now, when it comes to primers, you guys know, if you know me, if you've been watching me long enough, it's going to take a lot to get me to walk away from or try something other than the NYX Marshmallow Primer or the one size. Because if it isn't broke, don't fix it. And I'm old. I mean, I'm not like old, but you know what I mean? Now by Tarte C, this is a jelly glaze in the shade or tint Toasted Coconut. The Toasted Coconut. It looks like a really pretty burnt orange. Like a burnt, you know, the burnt brown orange, orangey kind of. And mind you, it doesn't do us any good. I'm just showing you what's inside the box because I can't pull these things out and start using them anyhow. But that's the packaging. And of course, I had to get these for Sass. I mean, why not? You know, these are from the Cream Shop. This one here is Baby It's Gold outside. She likes this, or this one. You like these right here? This is yeah. She wants us to use these ones right here. And of course, at night, we all 5 of us, when we're watching TV, Netflix has the remote, we put the sheet masks on. This one here is the 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely. Is it lovely? Yes. So these are the 24 karat gold collagen, and then the collagen and squalane youth promoting hydrating essence sheet mask. So that's it, you guys. As I said, I'm just trying to share with you guys what I got in the December, you know, with my December Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses, and I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you're getting the Ipsy bags, let me know if you are still with the Ipsy, because I do know that the prices did go up. Not too much. They didn't go up like as much as the BOXYCHARMs did, but they did go up just a tad. So let me know if you guys are subscribed to it, or if you like to see what's inside these little bags of mine, because I really do enjoy showing you guys. All right. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, I was just sitting here playing, and I knew I had to film a few of the recordings from last night over again. And a lot of times, if I'm not thinking, if I don't overthink something, I can get a look done really easy. And I started out with the Ace Beauté the Blossom Passion, this palette right here. I started out with these really pretty reddish pinks. That was the base. What you see right here above my crease. And then I said, you know what I need? And I knew in my head I needed like a yellow and a greenish, you know, almost basically the peacock colors. And what do I find right next to it is the Exotic Peacock palette. So I dug into that one. And that is the look that's on my eyes. I wasn't going for a rainbow or anything like that. All I was doing was trying to give it more of like a peacock effect. And I'll tell you something, don't overthink your looks, and they turn out 10 times better than the ones that take 2 hours to create. Because if you have a look in your mind, you're just going to keep on messing up, redo, mess up, redo. I do. That happens to me. So anyway, just wanted to mention it. These are the 2 palettes that I did use to create the look that I'm wearing today. I hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know. Let me see if I can get in. Don't worry about it, because I can always zoom in. I can always zoom in during editing. What do you think? Do you guys like it? I mean, be honest. Tell me, hey, Lori, those colors were not you. Or you are like seriously too old to be wearing stuff like that on your eyes. The only place I'm going is here at the house. So you get all dressed up, nowhere to go. This is what you do. Okay, you guys have a wonderful evening, afternoon, or morning, wherever the heck you are in this lovely world of ours. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.